Champ's Clock is a store with thousands of clocks, and they fix clocks. It's in Douglasville. I won a beautiful basket filled with so many things, especially fragrance from Versace. I like to try new fragrances, and some I don't like, but these I liked. They're really nice. And it felt wonderful to get something that felt like a present. It was very cheerful. I'm going to pass it on. Some of the things I won't use, I'll pass on. And then this is what I did with the colognes. I put it in my china cabinet for a couple of days. I'll find another place for it. I've been picking kudzu and I've been drinking the juice, but 2 days I picked kudzu, brought the kudzu home, and I didn't do anything with it. I should have, but I didn't. So I've been using the kudzu in the bottom of pots that I'm going to fill with soil because kudzu is very high in nitrogen. Very, very good for plants, and I've let it dry out quite a bit. Kudzu is survival food. The blessing box, I've been giving to the blessing box for years now. It's wonderful.